Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a beautiful day. I have something so cute for you today, so I hope you enjoy it. It's easy to make and it is a cute Halloween witch's broom. Perfect Halloween decor DIY. For this DIY, you're going to need one toilet plunger, and you're going to need a mop, and this is just a cotton mop head, and my husband said he picked these up for me at Ace Hardware. Just in case you're wondering where these are from, he stopped by Ace Hardware and picked up these two, and this is how the yarn mop looks, and it's nice and full, and I only had to use half of it. I did spray paint the stick with orange spray paint and the bottom of the plunger with gray. And here's how the mop looks when it's spread out, and I only used half. And each strand of yarn is 12 inches in length. You're also going to need some zip ties. So I gathered several strands of yarn in half, placed them on my toilet bowl plunger just above where the rubber part is, and then I took a zip tie, threaded it through the yarn, and then just wrapped the zip tie around the wooden stick and zip tied the yarn on. This is so simple to do and so easy too. I thought about hot gluing it, but this is much easier to just use zip ties. So just take your yarn that's 12 inches in length, pinch it in the middle, find the middle, put a zip tie in the center, then go to your toilet bowl plunger, just move on over just a little bit, and then notice how I am lifting up the other piece of yarn, placing the zip tie where the other zip tie is, and just zip tying it on the opposite side. I am going to repeat this same process until I have used the entire half of the mop. This mop came from Ace Hardware, and with the size of this mop, I only had to use half, but remember, if you purchase yours somewhere else, you may have to use a whole mop or maybe two of the yarn mops. So you just kind of have to modify and adjust, but here's how mine looks. I have already done 3 other Halloween DIYs, so if you haven't seen those, I will link them in the description box for you, because most all of them are very budget-friendly DIYs and so simple to make. Now I picked up this pick for 97 cents at Walmart, and then I'm going to be using some 2.5 inch width ribbon with wire for a bow, then adding a felt spider too. Here I'm adding a piece of 20 gauge floral wire underneath the zip tie. That way I can attach my bow to my little cute witch's broom. So I'm taking the bow wires, wrapping them around my Walmart Halloween pick, giving them a few twists. Then I'm going to go to my witch's broom right above the yarn and just twist the bow wires right nice and tight around that stick, cut them off short and fold them down. You could add a little bit of hot glue to make sure that your wires stay in place and that your Halloween floral pick stays straight up and down. And here's how it looks. So cute so far, but I did add a felt spider to the handle. Okay guys, so what's your thoughts? Do you like my witch's broom or not? At first my daughter was like, Mom, you're using a toilet bowl plunger? And then she's like, oh, it turned out so cute. And my husband thought it turned out cute too. So you'll have to let me know your thoughts. And if you like it, please give me a thumbs up, share this tutorial. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave me a comment. Thanks guys so much for watching.